boss on the island challenged his team to get fit. Little by little, the management team and staff personnel started to catch on. Soon after, people were enthusiastic about getting in shape and being healthy in order to compete with their colleagues. The Radisson employees have lost 1,000 pounds together by taking on the GM Challenge. Mark Francis has been the general manager of the Radisson for 18 months now. A conversation regarding health and fitness that started casually during a meeting has taken the property by storm.
It came about just through a loose chat in the office one afternoon. I've always been big into health and fitness and realized we had an obesity problem at the hotel as well. And we were chatting and trying to figure out a way how we could get people together to do an event, but also to start to focus on health and wellness. So that led to the first GM's 5-kilometer challenge, which was just to try and see how many people we could get out on the road and running. I think we had 6 or 7 people pitch up for the first one, mostly from the executive team.
Fast forward to today, more than 60 people are involved in the GM Challenge. Mark says the reason he thinks the initiative has been so successful is simply because it is appealing for staff members to have an opportunity to take on the big boss. Not only is there a better camaraderie in the workplace, the employees of the Radisson is starting to watch what they eat and care about health and fitness.
I think it was all about come out and beat me. And there's nothing an employee in the organization likes more than to put the boss to shame, which they have now since done, but initially it was pretty hard work for all of them. There was a lot of trash talking going on in the hotel as to who was going to beat me and by how far and who was fit and not fit. And I think it was a crash and burn realization that there were a lot of very unhealthy people around. And getting out and doing those runs, they realized they needed to look after their bodies and their health. And since we've been doing that, people are a lot happier. People are happier at work. They're eating better. There's been criticism of the food served in the cafeteria, so people are noticing what they're eating, which is really important.
Many of the people who are rocking the GM Challenge had never even run a 5K before. The key is to not intimidate people. Check out your target audience and come up with strategies to get more people involved.
You know, especially with the relay challenge that we've got coming up, they're partners in a team. And we've partnered, for example, the top 5 runners with the bottom 5 runners. So each of us has a partner that needs some training. So, you know, we're helping them out with diet and getting them into the gym and saying, come and run with us. So it's good fun.
So this is how it works. The Radisson organizes a big sporting event every quarter of the year. The days, weeks, and months leading up to the event, participants are expected to train on their own. It is very healthy competition, no pun intended, where there are no prizes or incentives. On the next show, we will have the GM of the Radisson, who will discuss how having a healthier body of employees is economically more viable. The next GM Challenge is scheduled for July 5th at Bushiri Bana. It will be a relay race. Everyone is encouraged to come out. This is our show for today. Thank you for joining us. We will be here tomorrow night at the same time, same place. So we will see you then.